Everyone is claiming that AI is a magic money printer, but can you actually make a real income in just 1 week? Let's find out. I'm spending the next 7 days testing different AI business models to see what works and what's just hype. This is the real story. 7 days, AI tools only, real results. Welcome to the challenge. Let's get started with day 1. Day 1 is all about the research. I'm scouting freelance platforms and looking for gaps where AI can provide a competitive edge. There are so many tools out there, from Midjourney for art to ChatGPT for copywriting. The goal is to find the perfect mix. Day 2, and it's time to set up. I'm building profiles and using AI to help me write the most persuasive pitches possible. I've sent out the first batch of messages. Now, we wait. This is usually where the anxiety starts to kick in. It's day 3, and nothing. My inbox is completely empty. No clients, no replies, and definitely no money yet. Honestly, it's frustrating. You see all these success stories online, but the reality is that it takes more than just a prompt. Day 4, I'm not giving up. I'm refining my strategy, niching down, and rewriting my prompts to be much more specific. I'm doubling my outreach today. If I want results, I have to increase the volume. It's a numbers game now. Suddenly, on day 5, it happens. A notification pings. We have our first real lead who wants to work with us. Day 6 is a whirlwind. I'm using AI to analyze data and create content at a speed I could never achieve alone. The client is happy and the payment is finally processed. Seeing that first dollar hit the account feels incredible. It's day 7, the final day. I'm tallying everything up to see if this week was actually worth the effort. Here are the real results. No fluff, no exaggeration. This is exactly what I made after 7 days of work. So, what's the verdict? AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic button. You still need a plan and a lot of grit. Consistency is key. AI allows you to scale, but you have to provide the direction. If you're ready to try, start small. Thanks for following this journey. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more real-world AI experiments like this one.